Yes, in Campania Region, COVID-19 is influencing second phase of the project refers to the action plan implementation because the specific object of this document are all the hospitals that in this period are very focused on COVID-19 crisis. The European Commission has authorized to move the budget line of European Regional Development Fund already allocated for the interventions to welfare for COVID emergency. And so these are not new resources because they were already destinated to Italy. But the European Commission has accelerated their use and became this fund much more flexible. So the hospital have used this fund to buy medical equipment, awareness communication campaign, to buy social safety nets in order to support the crisis refers to the COVID. So the health company had to slow down the process for carrying out works for energy efficiency intervention. And in this moment, the situation is the following. All executive projects and some tenders have been completed. Some hospitals will finance energy efficiency works with their our funds to ensure that the clean project can continue during this pandemic situation. Clean project has both a lot of benefits in Campania region. In particular, we have managed to operate on the most energy intensive buildings, and we had used the cooperation to learn several lessons from other regions. And to the last but not least, we are improving the policy instruments thanks to the strength collaboration between Campania Region Administration, Naples Agency for Energy and Environment, the Italian project partner of Clean Project, universities and research center in order to increase the energy efficiency in Campania Region. Thank you for the attention and stay tuned with Clean Project.